Sitecore serializations. Today we are going to see about Sitecore serialization. Basically, it can be achieved in two ways using Sitecore packages and serialization options. This is Sadish Kumar from SK Tech channel. Let us into the topic. Before going to the topic, I'm reiterating once again. Please subscribe the channel. If you are not yet subscribed, then only what are the video I'm posting will reach you automatically. If you like this video, please provide comments and share it with your friends. Let us into the topic. Sitecore serialization. There is content serialization. We are transferring or sharing a content with version item into another server or another machine. This is called serialization. This can be achieved in two ways. One is using the Sitecore package. Normally, Sitecore package means you are creating a zip file using the Sitecore package designer and deployment result. Okay. And serialization means using the developer menu. We are serializing the item or serializing the tree, and it will be created in the serialization folder of the data folder. It will create a master Sitecore content, and you copy that content file to the next server or another machine. You can use the revert item or revert tree options to deserialize it. Okay. I will show you a demo of packages and serialize option both, so that you will get some enough information about how to do packages and how to do serialization. Today we are going to see about Sitecore serialization. Sitecore serialization, Sitecore content serialization is two types. One is done through package. That's nothing but creating a zip file from the content, and we can deploy the zip file in another server, and we can publish it. Another one is serialization. We can serialize item or item tree. Based on that, it will create a content file in the serialization folders. From there, we need to copy that content file to the respective server, and we need to revert or revert tree option we need to provide. Now let us see how to do. First, I will show you how to do packages. Okay, Sitecore packages. How to create Sitecore packages and deploy it here. Okay. Um, I open the package designer. So there are a few menus available. So this is for new. There are two options, empty and from existing package. From existing package, you can modify and create a new package, or empty package you can select. Okay. And this is normally a open menu, and this is security account. If you want to add a roles or user to a package, then you can add using this security account. So similarly, you can add items or file dynamically or statically also you can add. This is nothing but a generate file which will create the package content into a zip file. This is a preview which is used to search the content in the preview mode, so that we can search whether item is present or not. Okay. Now let us give some name for this package. I'm giving sample one underscore demo. This is my package name, and I'm selecting the item using item statically. Here you can select any database. Normally master, web, or core is available. Okay. Now I'm selecting master alone, and once you selected the content, okay, that content you have two options: add item, particular item will be included, or sub item it will include it. I'm selecting this with sub item. Okay. I'm giving next. So I don't want to give any name for the source name. I'm just giving next. Okay. Now the package is ready. So I'm generating the package using generate zip. The package name, if you want to modify, you can modify here. Package name next. Giving next. Now the package zip is, I am downloading it. I have downloaded. Okay. Now the package is ready. You see the package is looking like this. Okay. Sample demo. Okay. Now what I will do, I'm going to the content. Detail. I'm changing this home item. Okay, currently this is a stage of home item. I'm changing sample one demo, sample one demo. Okay, now I'm saving it. I'm going to publish this item. Now the item got published. Okay, now the item is here. So I don't have a separate environment to copy that package and deploy it on another server. So I am just deploying the same server by modifying the item. I modify the item, I am deploying the my previously taken package. Okay, so I am going installation wizard. Okay, so I am uploading the package. I am going to select my sample one demo from download folder. Yeah, sample one demo. Okay, I'm giving next. So I'm upload it. Files uploaded. So now I am giving next. Install. So it is asking whether to overwrite or merge or skip. Skip means it will skip that particular item. Merge means the both items are merged and clubbed and joined together. Overwrite means it will completely ignore the destination item. It will override the source item. Currently, I am overriding the source item. Okay. So I am giving apply to all. Package is deployed. Now see the current change. So whatever previous changes came here. Sorry. Previous changes came here. This is a demo for package. Okay, now let us see serialization. Okay, serialization. So I'm just what I'm doing is before serialization I'm changing is this serial, sorry, serialization demo. I'm saving it and publishing this item. Okay, publishing this. Okay, item published. Next, the developer menu. I'm going to serialize. There are two options available: serialize item, serialize tree. Because I am selecting home item. 1 minute. Because I have selected home item, I am giving serialization tree. Normally, you can use serialization item. So because the home item has sub item, I am giving serialization tree. I will give a serialization tree. Normally it won't show anything. So if you go to the data folder of this application, to the root set to dev local, then I think data is go to serialize. You will find a master here. Master Sitecore, similarly Sitecore content. In that you will find the home. So home, if you go to the home, okay, home there is item and content there is item. The tree it has created. Now I'm going to the CMS part. So what I'm doing is I'm changing this. Okay, I'm editing this. Okay. I'm editing this update 1, I'm saving it, now publishing it. Okay. Okay, now it's published. So I already previously taken the serializations. Now if you see in my content folder, it is available. So I'm going to developer menu. Okay, I'm going to revert the things. So what happens if we give revert? Will update back to original state. Okay, because I don't have another server to show a demo and another server by copying the content. So serialization folder content is separate folder. So now I am doing here. Yeah. Now let us see what happens. Will take some time to revert the item. Now the item reverted to original state. Okay. This is a simple demo where you can serialize and serialize item, or you can serialize tree, or and by clicking revert tree or update tree, you can revert it. You can redeploy the serialization item. Normally, when you give serialized tree will be created as specified earlier. Will be created in the serialization folder master site code content. You copy that content to your next div or UAT server serialization folder and click revert tree or update tree or revert item or update item, so that it will deserialize and create it as a content. After that, you can publish the content. Okay, just right. This is a simple demo demonstrate packages serialization and using serialization of site code. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel if you are not yet subscribed. Then only whatever the video I am posting will reach you automatically. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, provide your comments and your feedback, everything. Okay. This is Harish Kumar signing off from SK Tech channel. Thank you guys. Good luck. Bye bye.